Welcome back. Yes, we were talking about methods of writing the feasibility report. I had spoken about 5 points, 5 methods in my previous video, and I had promised that I will come up with independently talking about all those 5 important methods in my upcoming videos. So here I am. I'm going to talk on the first important method of writing the feasibility study. Before getting into it, let me once again introduce myself. I am Shailesh Falsonge, father of a super boy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. The first important point of writing the feasibility report is research and analysis of potential market. My dear friends, this particular point is crucial. It comes from direct analyzing your site before the marketing report starts. Before the site analysis starts, the market report has to be worked upon. Now, how and what are the basic functions of doing the marketing report? The basic structure, basic gatherings of your information and identifying the right appropriateness is of core importance. Primary and secondary surveys of the site is also important and plays the major role. Competition mapping, demand and supply analysis, present and proposed facilities which are expected in that particular location, that is also mapped. The potential business and the expected business from that particular market is also tried and identified. So these are the major factors which covers your marketing report strategy. Now let me talk to you on basic research techniques. First and foremost, I would talk on the observations of the expert who has visited the site or who is writing the feasibility study. His personal observations, his experience counts a lot. It is compiled with the available data. So both the available data and his personal observations, his personal site visit, his personal interaction with various people in and around, everything is captured under the observation technique. The second, it is very simple. Various telephone calls are done and notes are made. Then we talk about social media presence, the social media information, wherever you can capture it from, that part is taken care of. The email strategy is used. Then we also talk about interviewing a lot of experts and people who we feel that would be relevant to give us the right information for the purpose. The web-based research plays a crucial role in doing this particular research and analysis of potential market strategy. Then we talk about the press researches and the investigation done by them in past. There are a lot of data available. There are various available research and literatures with the hospitality companies like HVS and Hotelivate as of today which are operating, they have a lot of information available. They have their published reports which are easily available on the internet. Then again, government publications are there, directives and periodicals you have to refer. There are online information from the various other hospitality platforms. So I spoke about the marketing report strategy, then I spoke about the techniques. I hope I have given a fair information about research and analysis of potential market, which is the first point. I'm going to come up with the second point in my next video, site analysis or site appraisal. Till then, I'm winding up. I hope you have liked it, and I'm sure you will get a lot of information from this video. If you have liked it, say like to my video, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. I'm available for a free 15 minutes call with any of the hotel owners or potential hotel owners. Please free to drop in the message right below and we will get in touch. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye.